Coming down in buckets now. But it's still just rain. Well guys, looks like we are going to have us a little thunderstorm here in a little bit. We are the little red dot right there, the balloon, and it looks like, I'd guess we're maybe hour and a half away, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, so this here is facing west. This is where that storm is coming from. Alright guys, so it's moving in on us now. Looks like it's almost here. So I'm gonna ride it out and see what it does. Alright guys, it's getting closer now. It's actually it's not picking up on the camera, but it's pretty freaking dark. So, alright, so this is all we've got so far. Just some rain, a little bit of wind, but that's about it. They're calling for severe thunderstorms, heavy rain, and heavy wind. But like I said, this is about it so far. Alright guys, so here's a little update. The rain has picked up significantly. But again, that's about it right now. No hail or lightning or thunder or anything like that. A little bit of wind. It's coming down a little harder now.
Around here tomorrow. Definitely more storms tomorrow morning. What does this evening look like? Nothing. As I've been saying the whole time, this is such a big, massive line of storms. It's stabilizing the atmosphere. Yes, it broke the cap.
Alright, so basically what that report was saying, that it's going to be nothing severe. We're just going to have rain and possibly up to 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. But other than that, really nothing severe. So looks like it might be just rain, which, I mean, I guess that's fine with me. Coming down in buckets now, but it's still just rain. Definitely got some thunder off in the background. I don't know if the camera just picked that up or not, but well, we have had quite a bit of rain, and it's still coming down. Our ditch is pretty full. Some little thunder there in the background. It's over with. Sun's shining. It's about to get hot. I think it dropped down to like 65 degrees, and it's supposed to jump back up to around 85. So yeah, that's it. It's over. Birds are chirping, and we're just flooded. So now I can't mow the yard for like, I don't know, a week probably.